Is it font is clear? Can I increase the font size? Is it visible?
Sure, it's fine.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So first, what is the interface? Interface is a service requirement specification. What is service requirement specification? Just only the requirements. Okay.
Service requirements specification in transit generally
So
required.
whenever like any client comes, they will go requirements. Will take in the form of interface. Just for example, I'm telling the one requirement. I need a one calculator. I need a one calculator. In that calculator, I need some functionalities like addition. I need, and also I need multiplication, substitution, and we have a division also. So these are the requirements: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These only I am giving only requirements, but I did not tell anything about implementation. This addition take 2 inputs or 3 inputs. How the addition will work, that functionality did not tell. So these requirements will capture in the form of interface. Okay. So interface can contain only the requirements. Okay, not implementations. The syntactically, if I write, to create interface, we have to use interface keyword. So to create a class, we use the class, right? The class keyword, like same. To create interface, we have to use interface keyword. Just example here, calculator. Okay. Then whatever I told, functionalities, just write here. In the normal methods, we have to write like this, open bracket and close bracket. But here I know only the requirements, but not implementations. That is why directly we put semicolon. That means this is the abstract class. Abstract class means which don't have anything implementation. Before that interface, we'll go simple example. Class test. I'm taking method. I'm writing something println. Okay. This is the like simple method. This method we can call as a concrete method or implemented methods, because we have already having that implementation. This is the part we can call as implement. So whatever the between the open bracket and close bracket we're writing, this is like implementation. But if you see any abstract methods, that abstract method don't have anything implementation. You can write directly public void addition. Just now I given only requirements, but we don't know how to implement that. To capture the requirements, we have to use the interface. That interface methods is a completely public void addition, which don't have anything implementation because we don't know how to implement. In that case, we have to make this is the abstract. Okay. Abstract means we have to provide another keyword abstract. Okay. So any abstract means this is not a implemented simple thing. This is not implemented. To tell anything, this is not a fully implemented, you can write an abstract keyword. Just take another thing, we have a subtraction. This is the subtraction method. Subtraction also I don't know how to implement. So we can take like this. Public abstract, sorry, void subtraction. Okay. You understood, right? Interface means only requirement specifications. Requirement specification means only the we have requirements, but not implementation. Whenever we know only requirements, we don't know the implementation further. We'll go for the interface. Simple concept. Okay, how to take that requirements? we have to take interface. Interface is a keyword, and give some interface name, like any related word. Then we can take the corresponding requirements. Requirements in the form of methods. So we don't know requirements, right? That is why we have to right click with the colon. Should not write open bracket, close bracket. If we have open bracket, close bracket like this, lower brackets, this is the meaning of. Sorry, if you have like open bracket, close bracket, that is like implementer methods. But interface can have only that abstract methods. Okay, if you write like this, abstract keyword with semicolon. Okay, this is like abstract method. Clear this interface concept?
Clear.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, clear.
One more point. Inside the interface, any method, writing these two modifiers not much important, public and abstract. Even if you don't write by default, these are public and abstract. So just for example, this method is void addition. This method is public abstract void subtraction. So this method internally also have that public and abstract by default. If you're not writing by default, it will be available. If you write, it is fine. Okay. Again, I'm repeating. Interface abstract methods by default public and abstract. Even if you are not writing the public and abstract modifiers, this is the public and abstract only internally. Compiler, it will be add whenever we are compiling. Okay, that is like a interface functionality. We cannot create interface object. Example, if we try to create like this, calculator C is equal to new calculator. It will not allow because this interface means only requirements. There is no implementation. Without implementation, how can I use? Okay, if I call addition method with a C difference, what it will return? We don't have any implementation, right? That is why interface not allowed to create the object. Okay. What is the first point? It is only requirements. Second point is we have only abstract methods. What is the third point? We cannot create object for this. We cannot create object for this. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, clear.
Just repeat the points, whatever I told.
Interface is basically consisting of requirements specification and also having only requirements. It will have abstract methods, not have, only have. We cannot create objects for this.
Yeah, when it is suitable to choose that interface, if you know only the requirements, that time you can go for that interface.
Like abstraction, right?
It is abstraction. Okay. Okay, fine. Up to now, I know the requirements. How to implement that? Okay, client came and given the requirements. I taken that requirements in the form of interface. How to implement that? We have to take a class. We have to take a class. Any class. Example, Casio. Casio is one company and trying to implement that functionality. How to that? We have to use
Implements cal.
Implements keyword, because this class is implementing calculator interface methods. That is why we have to use implements keyword. Okay, just start implementing one by one. Okay, this Casio company now addition. So it is doing implementation. Just calculators writing some SOP statements. For addition, okay. Now this Casio know only the addition, but the Casio don't know how to implement for subtraction. Okay, that time we can make this class as an abstract. That means this class is trying to implement the interface. Okay, in that we have some abstract methods. but this class is not implemented all the abstract methods, implemented only few. Okay, even if we implement all the abstract methods, but did not implement one abstract method, in that case also we have to give abstract because this is not a fully implemented. What is a fully functional? Fully functional means everything is working. But here is abstraction is implemented, but addition is implemented, but subtraction not implemented. That is why we can make this class as a abstract. Okay, abstract class. Now tell me that by seeing this code, abstract class can contain implemented methods
Non-implemented.
and abstract methods. Okay. Next point. For the abstract methods also, we cannot create object because this is not a fully implemented. Okay, without fully implemented, we cannot use that functionality, right? That is why we cannot create object for that. One more thing, abstract class cannot have constructor. That I will tell you when the constructor concept comes. Here also don't have constructor. Interface also. Okay. This is about abstract class. Then go for normal class. Up to now we already used the normal class. Just for terminology purpose, we can use concrete class. Concrete means fully implemented. What is concrete class? It is a fully implemented class. Okay. If you take example class cashier 1, I'm taking cashier 1. We have to use extend keyword here because we are extending from class. Okay, already some functionality is there. That functionality we are extending, but not implementing the interface, right? If any class extending other class, we have to use extend keyword. That I will give more points on that. I'm taking cashier. Okay, in the cashier already addition is implemented. So what is the pending?
Subtraction.
Okay, just take that method, implement for this, then it is a fully implemented. Okay, now go back. So if you see interface has two methods, addition and subtraction, both are unimplemented abstract methods. Okay, if we are taking the cashier class that implementing that interface and providing implementation for the one method, but remaining method still pending. That is why we have to make this class as abstract. Abstract class means it contains the implemented methods and abstract methods both. So if you are not implementing abstract method means this is like it will come as it like this. This come as it is like this. Okay, that is why it is not implemented. We can make this as a abstract class. Then go fully implemented class. That means normal class. In the normal class, just I'm writing that subtraction method implementation because addition already implemented. So if we extend one class to another class, this class properties all come to all automatically child class. Okay, this is the cashier one is child class. Cashier is the parent class. Whatever the parent class methods are there, that only automatically comes. So subtraction it is not implemented. So I'm again implementing here. Okay, but addition is implemented already. So I'm not implementing here in the cashier one. Okay, in the cashier one, this is the class fully implemented. Okay, we can use this class, okay, to use the cashier functionality. So fully implemented class means it have only implemented methods. That means concrete methods. Okay, you can create object because it is fully implemented. Okay, third one is it has constructor. Constructor means I will tell you, it will take some time. What is the constructor? Okay, now it is clear, I think. One more point in interface, it can have only abstract methods. It have only abstract methods. And also can have variables. Variables by default public, static, final. This keyword will be applicable. So if you don't write anything for abstract methods in the interface, what it will come automatically? Public and abstract. Right? Here what it will come by default? Public and abstract. Writing it also. That methods default public and abstract. Simple point in that interface we can have the abstract methods and the variables. Just I'm taking variable as a int age equal to 20. Okay. This variable by default public, static, final by default. Even if you write all not write also by default. Okay. This addition method or subtraction method is a methods. Okay. This methods are by default public and abstract. Okay. I will tell you what the public abstract keywords will come today or tomorrow. Modifiers concept we'll discuss much. Okay. Now we know interface, we know abstract methods, we know abstract class, we know fully implemented class, that is normal class. Okay. Just go through one by one here. What is interface? It have only requirements. Okay. It have only requirements. Okay. Requirements in the form of abstract methods. Abstract methods means by default these are public and abstract even if you are not writing. Okay. Variables are public, static, final by default if you are not writing. So next one is abstract class. Abstract class means it is a fully implemented class. Is correct? Abstract class is fully implemented. Still not clear?
Abstract class and abstract method both are different.
Both are different because if you make any method as abstract, that is abstract method. If you make that class as abstract, it is abstract class. Here method is abstract. Here class is abstract. Is it clear? Abstract class means it contains that implemented methods and abstract methods both. Here we have abstract method. Right? Because this is coming from the interface. Interface has two abstract methods. One is implemented in the abstract class. Another one is pending. So that will by default it will come to here. Okay. Still we are not implemented here. That is why we have to make class abstract because abstract class means it's not fully implemented. Okay. Not a fully implemented means we have to make this class abstract. Next we go for concrete class. Concrete class means fully implemented methods. It's clear? Let me anyone is not understanding this concept.
Abstract class and abstract method both are ending with semicolons.
No, abstract class will not end with semicolon. Only abstract methods will end with semicolon.
Okay, okay.
This is the abstract method interface. This ends with semicolon. This is abstract class. Abstract class ends with semicolon. No, only abstract methods will be end with semicolon. Ends with semicolon means directly it is not an implemented method. Not an implemented means it is an abstract method. Not abstract method means by default that method present in which class, that is abstract class.
Okay.
Fine, right? Now tell me anyone, what is the interface? What interface can you have?
it only consists of final variables and unimplemented methods.
Okay, fine. By default, interface methods are public and abstract. By default, variables are public,
Static point.
public, static, final. What is public, static, final? I will discuss today or tomorrow definitely. Let's go for abstract class. What is abstract class? Abstract class contain
abstract methods and
abstract methods and concrete methods. Concrete method is implemented methods.
yes.
Okay, we cannot create object for that abstract class. That is very important. We don't have, we can have constructor for that abstract class. What is normal class?
Fully implemented class, and we can create object for the normal class.
Okay, right. Okay. 1 second. One second. Okay, so now you understand about that abstract class, interface, normal class. Just make sure these 4 points are clear. A class can extend another class. What is the example? Class extend class B. Okay, here class can implement interface. Already we see that Casio extend this one, right? A class can implement interface. Third one is interface can extend another interface. Okay, interface cannot implement another class. Okay,
Yeah.
these points I will give more clarity. Give me 1 minute. I know it is somewhat complex. Okay, so just example, class A. Okay, it is class B. So a class can extend another class. This is clear, right? Next one. Interface IA. Here extend IA. Okay, a class can extend another class. A interface can extend another interface. Okay, is clear?
Yes.
Why today more silence? Okay, next we'll go for. There is interface A. I means interface. There is a class CA. A class can implement interface. Okay. Understanding these combinations?
Yes.
Okay, fine. If we take a interface IA, if we take a class CA, it will not extend, it will not implement. Both are not possible. Okay. Still, it is a doubt. Okay, a class can extend another class. Okay,
Yes.
a class can implement. Just check RMX. A interface can extend another interface, but a interface cannot
Extend class or
extend. It is not possible. Cannot
Yes.
implement. It is not possible.
Okay.
Is it clear? This combination.
Yes,
Just go through once. This first time it will be definitely confusion. I know. Just go through once. This RMX once. A class
Yeah.
can extend another class. That is fine. A class can implement another interface. This is fine. A interface can extend another interface. That is also fine. But a interface cannot extend another class. A interface cannot implement another class. Let me know it is not clear. Based on this, I'll go some examples.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's go examples. Here I have a class A. Okay. Try to more clear in this. Class B. So is this correct? Is this correct or not?
Class can extend class, but how
Extends
can it
another class.
Okay, we have to extend keyword. Okay. Next one is I have a interface IA. I have an interface IB. Here I just want to implement another interface. Is this correct or not?
This was also not possible. An
This is also
interface
not correct.
cannot implement another interface.
Okay, an interface can what do another interface?
Extends.
Extends. Okay. Next one is I have a class CA. I have interface IB, example IB. I want to do extend CA. Now,
Not possible.
what is possible here?
Class A can implement interface ID.
Class A can implement.
Interface ID.
Just in this line, try to correct what is wrong.
Um, Interface cannot extend any class.
Interface IB extends CA, right?
Interface.
Interface IB extends to CA. Interface IB.
Okay.
That interface.
Just see this diagram.
Yeah.
Interface can implement class.
In the line number 18, try to correct.
Interface can implement class like IB implements here.
Hello? Anything found? Here, what is the mistake?
An interface cannot extend the class.
Okay, interface cannot extend the class, fine. What can I use here? Can I use implement?
Yes.
No, it cannot be usable. This is also not correct. Sorry, I forgot to do wrong mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is not. Okay.
Implements class.
Okay, we'll go for next class A. Yes. These two are it is correct or not? These 4 lines.
Class A interface. Okay.
It's correct, I think.
Okay. Now,
But interface can come first, right? How can we declare
no.
top one?
There is no order for this. We can make class one class here, one class different place, different file, different package, different project also fine.
Okay,
Just
in
we have to
case it's
check flow
order
only.
is not, yeah, it can find. It can implement IA.
It can implement IA.
Yeah.
The next one is this one.
It's not possible. Class cannot
Because
extend.
one class can extend interface. This simple class to interface relationship is implementation. To class relationship is extend. Interface to interface is extend. So if it is both, if we found both are same, it is extend. Okay. If we found difference, it is implements. But here one case found thing is interface cannot extend class, interface cannot implement class. Reverse way is not possible. Okay, just remember these things, 4 points. Okay, next we'll go some different concepts. Okay, just repeat what is the interface. Anyone can tell me what is the interface?
An interface can only consisting of requirements.
Can only contain the requirement specifications. Okay, tell me some points on that.
It can implement. Sorry, it is having implements keyword by using implements keyword.
Okay.
An interface can extend another interface. It can consisting of abstract methods. So only abstract methods. That means non-implemented.
Okay, what is the abstract class?
An abstract class which is consisting of concrete methods and abstract methods.
Okay, fine. Then now we clear about abstract class or interface, right? Yes, we'll go some new concept, which is a package segment. Okay. Up to now, we created all the classes in a single file or different files. Okay. Is it okay to create different folders? Just for example, this is our project. Okay. This is our project location. Why it's not working? Okay. This is the project. So what happened? This project has 3 modules. Example, this is the SBI. Take any banking SBI. It has the credit card. It has the loans. Okay. It has some debit card. Simple. Okay. These 3 functionalities I'm trying to add in this project in single folder. Okay. Here credit card classes. Okay. C dot class. This is loans classes. Okay. Just example, credit card has almost 1000 classes. Okay. Credit card has 1000 classes. And this second one is loans. Loans has 500 classes. Loan 1, loan 1, loan 2. Okay. C1, C2 like that. That last one, debit card. Debit has 200 classes. So everything we are writing in a single folder. Okay. So anyway, today it is developed, it is working fine, deployed in a production, and there is a one small defect found, or there is a new feature came. There is a new feature came in the loans. Just change the interest rate 12% to 10%. So we have to do modification in that Java code. Okay. Then come check in that corresponding loans classes. There are loan classes. Nearly it is 500. Credit card classes is 1000. Debit card is 200. Okay. This loans related classes we have to search for in this total 1700 classes. In the 1700 classes, we have to manually go and check which class is really doing this logic, this loans interest rate logic. That class identify it and take this class, do the change by 12% to 10%, again test, again the deploy into production. Okay. So to find out the corresponding class in this, all those 1700 classes, how much time it will take? Just example, if you take 5 hours. Okay. This is the 5 hours. Okay. Then just do small modification. What I will do, I will make this a separate package, credit card, this is a separate package, loans, this is a separate package. Okay. Now there is a small change in the loans where you will search directly. Not clear?
Then we can go directly by importing one class and
Directly come at loans package and search in the 500 which class is representing the interest rate. That class take and do the changes. It will take how much time?
comparing to previous one, take less than.
Compare
less.
previously very less. That is why we have to divide our logic into multiple classes, multiple packages. Okay. If I divide into multiple packages, readability is more. Readability means someone can join your project, they can see the package name directly, they can understand, okay, this is the package is related to the loans. This is the package is related to the credit card, like that. Okay. That is the readability. Maintainability. Maintainability means same, like whenever some new person came, they want to do some changes, directly come at this package and check the corresponding class and do the changes. This readability, maintainability is a very, very important in the real-time applications. We cannot make everything into single package. That is like a blind mistakes. we have to create appropriate package name first, add that class into the corresponding packages. Okay. Then go for the next. What is the package? How to write package? Okay. How to differentiate with the different packages. So in the first line of the code in the Java class, we have to write a package statement. Okay. This is the first line. Source code. This example. If you take here a class loans. Okay, this I want to store in a loans package. How to make that differentiate? We have to add one statement package loans. Okay. There is another class. I want to make this class into, let's take a class name CC credit card. Okay. This class I want to move to into credit card section. So we have to make package. Okay. Then another one is we have to go for the debit card. So I'm taking the class name debit card. This I'm taking debit card. I will take full name, no problem. Okay. So there are three classes. I'm saving these classes in somewhere. Java training. This is a debit card. Okay, this is a credit card. This is the loans. Okay, these are the three classes written. So tomorrow, just I want to change something in the corresponding classes. Which class I will open? Go to that location, Java training. Just check here what I want to change only credit card. Just open that credit card and open do the changes. Okay, that is like main functionality. If we talk some rules on this, okay, to write some package statement, we have some rules that we'll discuss now here. Okay, so package statement is first line. Okay, example. So in this class, just example debit card class, I'm taking that package statement. This package statement should be in the first line of that source code file. If you take in anywhere else, if I take here, it is a error. If I take it between here, if I take error. If I take inside main method, okay, that is also error. We have to take only in the first line of the code in the Java file. Okay, the package should be created with the package keyword. Okay. Should use package keyword. These are the two things we have to remember about while writing the packages. Or basically, packages are used to maintain the for maintainability and readability. Okay, these are like a package statement. Just for example, one more thing. If I introduce one more keyword here, just I want to use. Okay, here I have main method. This is the main method. Is it correct or not?
Static.
Static means right.
STATIC.
Static keyword. Okay. Just I want to use credit card class in the loans class. Just take loans class in a which package? Loans package. But credit card has in credit card package. So we cannot directly use. We cannot directly use like if I take like credit card C equal to new credit card. I want to create credit card class object. Okay. Syntactically it is correct, but whenever we are compiling this code, this loans class, first it will check this credit card there in corresponding package or not. This credit card class are there in the loans package or not. If it is not there, it will throw error because I am expecting this credit card class in the current package. Current package means whatever the class we are using. Current class is loans, but that in the loans class we are using the credit card class. If we try to compile this class will tell in this class or in this package, in the current package, loans package, the credit card class is not there because I'm not able to find this location. Please tell me where is the credit card. Okay, then we have to tell this credit card is there in
Import package credit card. Oh,
this
directly you can import
credit card package. Go to the credit card package. There you can find the credit card class. Okay, we have to tell like this. We have to import complete package name with the class name, package name dot class name also. Okay, another example. Just go for the credit card. In the credit card, I'm using that loans. Public void. I'm taking M1, not main method. In this, I want to create loans class object. How to create loan? L equal to new loan. Okay, syntactically correct. But whenever we are compiling credit card class, it will check corresponding that loans class present in the current package or not. What is the current package here?
credit card, right? For the loan, we need to import loan.loan.
What is that? What is the current package?
Credit card package.
Yeah, current package credit card. Yeah, right. Hello? Hello? Is it clear? Am I audible now?
Yeah, audible.
Okay, fine. So we know about package statement. Package statement should be a first line of the Java source code file. Okay. Import is to tell to compiler the corresponding class file is there in so and so package. Okay. If you want to use any classes other than the current package, we have to use the import statement. Okay. If you want to use any other class outside of then use import keyword. Okay, these two are about package and import keywords. Okay, if you are clear about these 2 points, these are simple points, not much complex. Package for that to divide our classes into different packages for the readability and maintainability. Import it like to tell to the compiler the corresponding class file, corresponding Java file, then so and so package we get from that class. Okay, that is the import keyword. This is like simple examples I told. In the loan class, I'm trying to use the credit card. This credit card is not there in the loans class package. So we have to tell the compiler this credit card there in the so and so package and go and get this class. Okay, we have to tell with the import keyword. Okay, in the Java source code file, we should have only one package statement. But here in the case of import, we can have multiple import keywords. This example, if you go in the loans, I use a credit card. I want to use the debit card also. Okay, object is created. Okay, now I'm trying to compile in the code. It tells the compiler will check. Okay, credit card. Where is the credit card? Okay, I know because the developer already provided that credit card keyword. Sorry, credit card with the import keyword. Okay, go and get this credit card class in the credit card package. Now I'm going to compile the debit card. Okay, debit card is not there in the loans package. Okay, then where it is? I'm checking the current package, loan package, it is not there. Then where it is the location? Compiler don't know, so it will throw error. Okay, it will throw error. Then we have to tell to that compiler debit card is there at debit card package. Okay. So what you understood here? We can have multiple import keywords, import statements in our Java class file. We can have only one package statement. Okay, but package statement should be first line of the Java source code file. It's clear now?
Clear.
Yeah.
Okay, this is clear, fine. Then, so this examples anyway I'll cover in the next coming classes. It's not much complex. The regularly used concept only. Okay, I want to discuss one more thing. Up to now, what we are doing, we are writing that any Java code in the notepad file, and we are trying to compile the code by using javac command, and we are running with the Java command. What if I write some mistake? Just for example, if I write some mistake and if I try to compile, it will show some error. Okay, again we'll do some correction. Just for example, here, if I change something on here, I forgot to write IN. I forgot to write N keyword, N letter. Okay, if I try to compile, what it will tell? It will compile an error. Okay, again, we have to come and check the corresponding location. What is the mistake? Okay, n is fine. Okay, again, I missed here C. Okay, again, I'm compiling. I found the one more error, one character missed. Okay, fine. I change the same thing here. So here same, I forgot to close the bracket. Again, compiling, giving the error, and coming to here, fix the issue. So why we need why we need to like wait up to compile the code? Why we cannot find the errors, compile the errors while writing the code? Okay, for that we have to go for the IDs. Okay, we have to go with the IDs. So what is the IDs? Integrated Development Environment. I know you people already listened about Eclipse, IntelliJ, NetBeans, right? Yes.
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 Okay, integrated development environment ID is basically to reduce the development time. How do you reduce? Every time writing some code and going to that compilation stage, after finding some errors, fixing those, again compile, getting compile errors. These are late process, very late process. So IDs will tell while writing the code, the errors will be detected. While writing the code, errors. Okay, it will provide some more features like adding the libraries. Okay, libraries concept I will tell jar files. It will give some more facility like building the code. Building the code means we cannot give that all these classes like we have loan class, credit card class, debit card class. All these classes just compile. It will generate 3 data class files and go and give the client. It will not possible. Okay, it will not possible because the client asks everything in a single file, single jar file, single var file. It will deployable file in the server. Even client asks to deploy the code in servers, then they will give only URL to the clients. Then clients go and open the browser, enter the URL, then they will check. Okay, we have to do everything manually. So here, IDs do a lot of things here. Just I'm giving here just 2 or 3 features. While writing the code, we can detect the errors. Okay, we can add libraries. We can build the code directly with IDs. Okay, and also like IDs, we can auto compile. Actually, this will come under this feature only. It auto compiles code. Okay, I'll show just example. This is the one example IDE. If you see here, just I created a class. Just right click on the package. Okay, select new class, view the class name. Okay, directly it came. How many lines it came? This came almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay, 6 lines are automatically given. It did not write anything single line also, single letter also. Directly it given everything. So this is like one simple functionality. Okay, now I'm taking that one example. I written this just a declare string variable, string str equal to ABCD. It is showing some error. It is telling syntactically there is some mistake in your code. Okay, that particular line it will be enabled. In this line, go and check there is some error. We did not compile this code in the Java C command. Okay, this is like IDE functionality. This will tell the corresponding line there is some syntactically error. Then I'll come here, I'll check, okay, I missed, okay, just add I. Okay, it is saying still some error. Okay, what is missed? It is a, what is missing here?
Semicolon.
Semicolon. Okay, like that, it automatically compile the code and it will tell where is the error, the corresponding line number, it will show some red mark. Okay, that is one example I can say. And it automatically it given some code. This kind of some facility. So this package statement, just for example, I'm taking one class like array list. This is like not yet covered. This I'm taking array list. This is there in some different package, not in introduce example folder package. This is different folder. I'm trying to use that create update array list. Okay, I written array list. This is syntax. So spelling mistake by there is no error, but it is saying unresolvable type. Okay, that means where is the array list? It is saying array list. You told I searched for this current package examples folder. Just come and see here examples folder. The corresponding class is not there. Okay, examples folder, check here. Sorry, interview examples folder. Just check here. Array list is not there. So in this current package, there is no array list. Then where is the array list? It is asking. That is why it is saying array list. This cannot be resolved. We have to tell where it is. So what we have to do? We have to provide the location. How to provide? How to provide?
By using import keyword.
Import keyword. Okay, I don't know like where is array list. I don't know really like the corresponding package name. This day I don't remember exactly. How can it? Because this is not written by me. It is written by the Java people only. This is inbuilt class from the Java. How did this string inbuilt class? This array list also same inbuilt class. Then where it is this class? I don't know import where it is exactly. So I can use one shortcut. Before that, we can if you place the mouse in the corresponding error, it is saying the some fixes. We can create a package which is not required because I want to use first option because array list is there in the Java.util package. It is asking to import. Can I import? Just click on this. It automatically come. Did not add anything. Okay. This is the auto completion feature. Okay. This is the auto completion feature. Okay, fine. Just in the string, I told different methods. Okay, I did not remember all the methods. How I want to see? Just type string dot what method we want to call. There are multiple suggestions it will give. Multiple suggestions. We want to use index of. Okay, index of if I give in the particular index position of the 3, what it will return.
Index of
index of character. It has to take character. Let's take one more method. A character. Caret. If I give the position of 3, what it will return?
D.
Okay. 3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, D. So to write system.out.println, we need to write everything in the notepad file. But here just type SYSO control space. It will give completely. Is it more simple? More easy? D. Okay. Then if it just place the dot, it is given some suggestions. Okay, which method you want to call, which method you want to use. Some suggestions it will give. This kind of suggestions not there in the notepad, but we have IDE support. That is like IDE functionalities. Okay, it will give some suggestions. These are like just I told very few features. There are many features also. Suggestions. Okay, this is IDE. How to download this IDE? I will tell. There are many IDEs in the market to support Java. First one is Eclipse, topmost. Second one is STS, IntelliJ, NetBeans, RAD. This kind of thing. There are many tools. Okay, so we mostly use in the companies these first three. These first three we mostly use. This NetBeans RAD very rare cases. Okay, I will go with STS. Like it has internally Spring support also. Eclipse with the STS means simple Eclipse plus Spring support. This is called STS.
These all are free sources to install.
These are all.
No, I'm asking Eclipse and STS are free sources.
These
and
are
NetBeans are
all
also
free
free.
only. These are all free only. This RAD I'm not sure. This RAD basically developed by IBM, I think. Exactly I'm not sure. But companies mostly follow first three only: IntelliJ or STS or Eclipse. Okay, I see my personally companies are using STS or IntelliJ. Eclipse like mostly very rare cases. Then go how to download STS. I will prefer STS only. How to download? Just go to the browser, download STS. First link open. Okay, select your OS and download the file. Okay, and download for Windows. It will download this file. Okay, almost it is 573 MB. After downloading, you have to do one command to extract. This is a downloading in the form of jar file, not a zip file. Okay, if you see here, the extension is jar file. You can see in the top right, down right, at the end .jar file. Okay, if you want to extract this file, we should not use zip, right click extract as a zip like that. Better approach is we have to use Java command. Just let's download this. I will tell you how to extract. One second, it's downloading. Okay, it is downloaded. It is downloaded. Okay, let's open. Why it is not opening folder? Okay, just open this. Take this file into one separate folder. Separate folder. I'm taking new folder here. Just test. Just I'm taking test folder. Just show to you. Okay, open the command prompt here. Okay, just type Java -jar this file name. Okay, just start with the file name. Press tab. It automatically comes. Just start with yes tab. Java jar space file name. It's clear command? Is clear?
If it is downloaded in jar file, we can do this. If it is downloaded in .exe file, we can.
This is the
extract, right?
this is the Windows file. It will be generated download in the form of jar only. If you download Eclipse, example Eclipse. This example Eclipse Mars download. This comes in a zip package. Okay, Eclipse comes in zip package, but this is example simple Eclipse ID is. Let me download this also. Please download. Okay. Meanwhile, basically STS will be downloaded in the form of jar file. Okay, just check here extension. Type is jar file.
Is there any other way to do this thing? Not by using command. Is there any other?
We can extract like this. Right click, open with, or extract. There are some tools are there. 7-zip. Okay, it can extract, but do not extract properly. Okay, it will not extract properly. If you face some issues while working the STS ID, should not face some issues, right? That is why we have to extract proper way. Just use java-jar, the command name, enter, it will start extracting.
So the best successful way is only by extracting jar file with the command java-jar, right?
Yes, java-jar. Just I'm giving here how to download. Download from this site. Okay, download from the site and extract. Open command prompt. Run this command java-jar dot sts file name. Okay, this automatically extract the corresponding jar file. Okay, just come and check here in the test folder the extracted or not. The extracted. Okay, the extracted, right? Just open this folder, go to the application Spring Tool Suite 4. This one. Click on that. Okay, just click on that. Give some location. It is asking workspace location. Workspace location not, but whatever code you are writing, where it has to save. Okay, I'm asking to save Java class. Okay, ID. This is the folder I'm saying. Even this folder is not there in our local system, it will create. This ID itself will create. Just go and check corresponding this package. Sorry, corresponding this location. I'm trying to go there. It is not there. It's saying the corresponding path not there. Just check spelling. Now I'm trying to launch. If we're trying to launch, this corresponding the path is not present. Still, you'll try to create by ID only. Just check. Just trying to launch. We'll wait for 1 minute. The launcher. Then go and check here. The file path is created or not. Again, I'm going here in terms of same path. Now it is came because the path is automatically created by IDE. Okay, this kind of page will be open. Okay, this is a window. Now we have to create a simple Java project. Simple Java core Java project. Click on this. Create Java project. If it's not found, then we have another approach. Just file, new Java project. File, new Java project. Clear, right? Just give some project name. Just I'm giving package example project name. Select the Java version here. Right now we installed as part of this course Java 8. So select Java 8. Next, finish. The project is created. Okay, this is the project. Expand this. There is a JR in. That means whatever JDK we installed in our system, that will come here. Next is SRC. SRC means whatever source code you are writing, that we have written SRC. First, we will create a folder in terms of package. Folder means package, both are same. What is this? Okay, so this is the pack. How to create package? Right click, new package. I want to create package for credit card. Just I'm giving the CC. Okay. Package credit card. Okay, CC. I want to create another package, loans. So another package, right? Right click on this package, loans. Two packages created. Another package, debit card. Giving just DC, debit card. Okay. In the credit card package, I want to give some I had to give some logic. Take a class name with monthly statement. This is the class name. I want to generate automatically main method. Click on this. It is came. In the loans, I want to create a class. Calculate interest. Click on main method. If it is required, just click on, otherwise not required. Okay. So I did not click on main method. That's why main method not came. Debit card. In the debit card, I want to write withdrawal method. Withdraw money. Withdraw class. Okay. Fine. Just I want to create. Calculate interest object here. Calculate interest class is there in the loans package. I want to create object for that. Okay, C equal to new. I created, but why it is error giving? Wait error. It's not clear.
Calculate space interest.
Your voice is not audible to me. It's breaking.
Calculate space interest.
Calculator.
I expected that space.
Space, where it is?
No,
Calculate
calculate
interest.
interest class present in another package, and that's why you're getting error.
How to import that?
By using import package.
Import statement.
Okay.
Import
So we
that.
can write import manually like this here. In the IDs, we don't need to do import. Just
Import,
click,
yes.
put a mouse on the error. It will give some suggestions. Import this class. Okay, import automatically comes. Okay. If you don't know, there is another approach. Just we have to enter or press Control Shift O. Okay. Just enter Control plus Shift plus O. It will give automatically import statement. Okay. Control Shift O. Yeah, this is about simple application, how to write a package statement. See here, automatically package generated is the first line. Because Java compiler no, this should be not a Java compiler. IDs no, package statement should be in the first line of the Java source code file. Okay, that is why it is given the first line. Now I want to use withdraw also. Withdraw class, I don't remember exactly. Here you can see withdraw money, but just if I close this, okay, then how you know withdraw class name exactly? So while typing, just only 2 letters, just type AATH. Okay. These are not correct. Then type one more withdraw. So it automatically gives suggestion with the class names also. Withdraw W is equal to new withdraw. So automatically import came while we do control space. Control space means type something, get suggestions. Okay, type something, get suggestions. Understood, right?
Yes.
Yeah, these are like about IDs. Whatever like examples I told from last 1 or 2 classes, try to go and download the IDE. If you want, you can download Eclipse, or if you want, you can download STS. If you want, you can download IntelliJ. Both 3 are fine for me. Okay, if you see here, someone asked to download a zip file. So Eclipse is coming with the zip format, but STS is coming with the jar format. The zip format means you can directly right click on that, extract, it will work. But jar format, you can do right click on extract, but it may not work properly. That is why I told to execute java-jar command. This one, java-jar file name. It automatically extract. Okay. After that, just to double click on that, view some workspace location where the code has to be saved. Do you remember initially I given that location Java class IDE. Just come here and check the corresponding project is created or not. This is a project package example. This is created. Go to inside that. Inside what is there? SRC. CSRC. This bin is a part of IDE only. We just don't consider this. Go to SRC. What is SRC there? SRC contain that packages. CCDC loans. Same. Inside loans, what is there? Calculator. Inside loans here. So whatever you're writing here, it is completely managing somewhere in the or our file system, Windows file system. Okay, that is why we have to give that workspace location initially. I think it is more clear now how to set up any IDE. I shown the STS, Eclipse also very same, 100% same. If you install IntelliJ, that is somewhat different. Try to install that if you have interest. Otherwise, you can use directly that STS only. Okay. So today we can stop here. Okay, today we just discuss about different concepts like interface, abstract class, and concrete class, package statement, import statement. Okay, I will try to post this file to you, maybe today possible. Okay, then tomorrow we'll upload this video to YouTube and I hand over to you. Okay, fine. So anyone has any doubts